Wonu se me wa ye fa Yesu na do mara kwa ene the evangelist ma wa part so dem ho de yesi cho boy na wa jesu hey ene nkrofo mienu bi ekopie mu ewo evangelist mama part so dem na soboni enye se ye ka kire ohene na naba ko petonado ode no ho epie mu ewo ho sanso na Efia wodo epiem won na ba bisa say edie nti na sankrofo wo mo sole na mo piem ho de bi amanebo edie akire na to na do say ade ato na ninti od invitation kase pa ekoma eye evangelist mama part ni ku esiama because of papa bia evangelist mama part eye no tua ne ba school fees no na se ne eyi ato anasa ade ato na ni a wonyine ma na wo say odwane to anom na okọ invite because eyi na se no ye hia prema for ewase sanso na Efia wodon so piemu ho wono so na mane ebo ni nyina ne se aya na wo ye show bi na sada no cancer uterus na eti edwemo wo mo discuss a lot of things I fear sada no de brofo de wo hwie bi na wo mo kasa na ne kasa mu no otumi se okakasa tia eye evangelist mama part wo yesika gale na wodadwene ho na ohu se ma me nko no mo yesika gale bi ma me hu da se wo ye bia mo bi nti sebe me ye di nkwasiasam enti wo se mitu na mo ko evangelist mama part ho na me ko bu nkotodwe ede kotosere epa ne chelse wo kasa na so wanka ne yi a wo sere na won fanche na no ne pa ya e ma no ko kasa me enko heaven way chapel aso demo e ho sausage no me enko mra.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pachaminka. Okay, I'm gonna mix my English and my
Bon sama brafona Efia wadon kano.
So Michi, it's not like 100%. And see, sometimes me try say me can. Sometimes me can say.
But omo peki nipa na wo kasa na yenhwe no why? De enti oba ye ne hia yen. Enye nipa na egu ha no. Ti mu fa camera ne nto no so na yenhwe de wo ka no.
Sometimes my tree is really like, it's not good.
More for the clothes.
And see, I have a show, a podcast, but it's a morning podcast. I have a show and we invited one person, Counselor Lutrotz, to come on it. So when he came on the show, we were talking about different things. And then we talked about our mama here. And now, so instead of Semeka, I said something like Mama Pat does Sikaduro, but I meant to say Gary Sika. So I kind of mixed the tree. So I came here to ask my lovely mommy for forgiveness. That I'm so sorry, mommy, for mistakenly saying what I said. Thank you.
Send you one new home. I will one more summer. What kind? The brother no kind in an say if you are koto esha. And that punishment of the Bema wine.
No problem.
Brafwa, yen yabana kind and say, I mean, mommy more said, I'm in your pet. Now come down into me fire. What's all your program be? What the Abrantia be a friend of Councillor Lutrotz. As Abrantia and Moon was one of your own Quasia, some one or come cream. Now, Brown didn't ban show this sono. O provoke ya kekami kuno sem, kekame some one sem. Emma Branin and Nina Hoso. Onusu odimatam Agradaa Ajisikaduro. And I got a call from the producer. Said they want me to say a member of my program. And I'm so be a Magisikaduro here. If you want to prosper, you can't call a Sikaduro on your platform. And a fiase or beba or about the patcho. Because on the any man hoso or carry a yano, no one known home. So we are nearby a few dog, ever ha, a chowpa, and or the yesu. Any heavyweight champion, any prophet into a siama, any sonema, any anointing wofia, our asamwa enya, a finanum ebaye, a fia, yes, what take was some, I'm a sum, a radiation. God bless you. Bible says, there were no kind of bonny. No, we are doing no force on the better. 1 John chapter 9 was this a cassie and your bonnia, near your trophy. To say what you bonny your tomb. Our banu, about Osro, and their chow. Now, Menso, and their chow. I love you too. Okay, clap for Efia, clap for Efia, clap for Efia Odo, clap for Efia Odo, clap for English woman Efia Odo. Amen. English teacher no.
Yes.
Efia when you buy the me watch me bro for no ase. American slides. Bon some American slides. Bon some Yesu a osia.
Jesus.
Me say enkonimo no eguso a.
Amen.
Bible say be ye gina say wo no ehwa ene ebe hira wo
Insanity.
Akwantwa humi a me ho aye fei a Yesu na aye me sa me de te attention TV fidie kasie so ai me ho ferof we natural beauty ensuo ne afi bi anka ho ai me da hwefo nyina makra